Greetings, unstoppables. Are you tired to feel like your time slowly passes before you, knowing that you are living mostly as a spectator of other successful people's lives? You could have done so much more, but you always tend to procrastinate, dreaming to become the best version of yourself one day. Is that you, right? But don't worry, it's never too late to fix it, and I am here to help you. But before we begin, remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This will help this channel to grow and keep leading people towards the best version of themselves. So, those are the things you must start doing now in order to fix your life. Number 1. Set meaningful and achievable goals. The first thing you have to do is to set meaningful goals. It's essential to have a clear direction. Be as specific as you can, and remember to find a way to measure your success. Then think about a way to make it achievable, relevant, and time-bound. You can use a diary to track your progress. In this way, you will keep yourself on track and motivated. Trust me, I do this exact same thing too, and it works perfectly. Number 2. Build positive habits. Now, let's shift our focus on building positive habits. You can start by identifying what is damaging your health and your success, to start thinking of a way to replace those bad habits with good ones. Once you have a plan, you have to rely on discipline more than motivation. Keep following the plan even when you don't feel like to do anything. And when you feel like that, remember that David Goggins never stops. He always carries the bolts and the logs. Number 3. Learning from failure. Nobody's journey is without challenges. The more you face failure and rejection, the more you become capable to see the importance of embracing failure as a stepping stone to success. It's not about avoiding failure, it's about learning from it. Number 4. Prioritizing self-care and mental well-being. Taking care of yourself is non-negotiable. Think about that. When was the last time you slept 8 hours straight? When was the last time you've drunk enough water? When was the last time you've drained your body to the absolute limit? When was the last time you've read a book? If your answer is a time longer than 1 week, you have some work to do, but don't worry, it's absolutely doable. And if your answer is a time shorter than that, leave a comment below to motivate someone with your good example. Number 5. Seeking continuous learning and growth. The fuel of your personal development is knowledge. You can find it everywhere, but you have to develop the right mindset. Remember, you can read for hours every day without learning. You can watch hours of valuable YouTube videos thinking about useless or even damaging things. You can listen to podcasts just to have some background noise. Or you can do those things with the curiosity that you need to learn something new. It's all up to you and your mindset. Now, if you found this video helpful, remember to like, share with someone who needs it, and subscribe to this channel. There's a lot more to come soon. Until next time.